Basta pag kumatok ako sa bahay niyo mamaya.
Parang ako Jody. Sasagot ka, Ian.
Hindi, syempre, as an actor kasi, dapat nandun yung possibility lagi. I mean, you can look at your co-actor with love and not find anything to love about that person. And it just so happens that si Jodie is so easy to love. There's so many lovable things about her.
Tama.
So it's not hard for any actor to look at her and find something to fall in love with.
Almost a year kayo nagkatrabaho, no?
Yes.
Ian, Jody. And then two and a half years naman for Sir Chief.
Well, like I said before, sa ibang interview, I said Jody is a very lovable person. So, like Ian said, she's mabilis ka ma-ano sa kanya because mabait, maganda, parang she has most of the qualities you'd want. But we try to separate yung real from the real. So, kasi we don't want to complicate things also. And we respect Jody. Na we, kasi ano namin na, di ba, as people with, as a person na may asawa na, ayaw din namin gawin sa kanya na parang gagawin kita number 2, parang gano'n. So it's, di ba?
Umabot din siya.
Paano ka pala talaga, Sir Chief?
May scenario na.